Let's go over the warranty of the Bernina 880 and also the other printed items that come packaged with this machine. So first off, you do have a full color manual, and I love that it's spiral bound, so really easy to take notes, find the information that you're looking for. We're going to be showing you that you also have the question mark on screen where you can touch one of the symbols and it will explain what those are. So if you don't know what it is to even look up in the manual, touch the question mark. This will be your best friend throughout your learning process. There's also a Bernina accessory guide, so all the different feet that are available. And this will be really helpful as you work through our Bernina Stitching Cosmos online course, because now you'll know all those optional feet, that what they are, what they look like, what their numbers are, and how they'll be used. And then we actually do it as a hands-on class. So the warranty with this machine, and I was noticing there's some other information, tips and software and some quick reference guides in here as well. But for the warranty of a Bernina machine, you're going to notice that it is a 2-year warranty on the electrical parts, 5-year warranty on circuit boards. Let me tell you about circuit boards. One of the things you want to do is make sure that this machine is not just plugged into the wall or a surge protector. I would love it if you would actually plug it into a battery backup. Your Bernina 880 is a computer. Let's treat it like such. And a battery backup, we'll put links below this YouTube video where you can see what those are all about and how you can really save from any issues happening to your circuit boards. Trust me, it's just worth not having to deal with that, especially in the first 5 years. And after the 5 years, again, saving all those computer parts from having any interruption. Then there's a 20-year warranty on the mechanical parts. Now, do keep in mind that regular wear and tear on a machine is something that is not covered. I mean, if you're using it, things do wear out. So that 20-year warranty is going to cover anything that was defective when it was made, and Bernina would be able to tell you that. Your Bernina service technician is going to want to see this machine once a year for its annual cleaning. Trust me, if you take time to clean and oil your machine every time you sit down to sew, we've got videos for that, and you have your machine serviced on a regular basis, you are going to not need to worry much about this warranty issue. All those things are going to be taken care of just with regular scheduled maintenance. So make sure that you kind of get it on your schedule. Don't lax. This machine is amazing, but does need to be kept in fine running condition. So with that, let's go ahead and get into all the amazing things that this machine can do.